Do you love sweet, red, ripe, homegrown strawberries? Nothing tastes better. And homegrown strawberries can be a bit tricky to grow, and sometimes they don't live through the winter. So are strawberry plants considered an annual or a perennial? This really depends, and I'm going to explain why. And I will share with you my 3 secrets to getting your strawberry plants through a tough winter. Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, creator of the High Performance Strawberry System and garden advisor for the Grow Network. And we've been growing strawberries for decades on our farm in Colorado for our family and for our CSA. Strawberries are usually considered a tender perennial. And perennial means that the plant will come up and grow again next season. An annual means the plant typically will die every winter and you have to replant the following spring. So a tender perennial will live through the winter in some places and it won't in others, not in very cold or very dry locations. So if you live in a cold or dry climate, I have 3 secrets to getting strawberry plants to live through the winter so that you have the plants ready to start producing berries in the spring. Okay, number 1 is water. We have killed more strawberry plants in the winter from lack of water than from the cold or the snow. So you want to check your strawberry plants throughout the winter and water them if they are dry. All right, number 2 is on the ground. If your berry plants are hanging in baskets or patio pots, you want to get them on the ground. The ground provides some warmth and moisture to help your plants through the winter time. All right, before we get to number 3, I want to invite you to check out our High Performance Strawberry e-course. So in this course, we teach you the 5 things you're going to want to do to have the highest production of the sweetest berries. So there's a link in the description below so that you can learn about the e-course and an exclusive coupon just for you, our YouTube viewers. Number 3 is mulch. The best way to protect your tender strawberry plant crown is to mulch the plant before it snows. So I use leaves or straw for mulch right on top of the plants, about 1 inch thick. And the beauty of the mulch is it protects the plants from the cold and from drying out. So on top of the mulch, I will let the snow pile up. This seems to work really well, and we get the strawberry plants through the cold winter. If you'd like to learn more of our strawberry growing secrets, you can click here to go to our Strawberry Success playlist.